Good morning, this is Paul coming to you from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we're looking at a super wide 2016 Toyota Sienna Freedom Motors converted wheelchair accessible vehicle. This vehicle has 65,000 miles. It's a 2016 model. It's only $29,995, which is a great low web internet special price. It's a 48-inch super wide. The super wide comes with a second row which flips. It's a 60/40 type of seat. I'll show you here shortly. But with the super wide, it's ADA approved. It can be used commercially as like a paratransport taxi service. You can fit 2 wheelchairs in it. Lots of room. Huge ramp, 48 inches. The largest in the industry. Freedom Motors USA, right here in Battle Creek, Michigan. We've been in business for over 30 years, and we're always progressing and improving and experimenting and testing new things. This is so much room, so huge. You can put 2 wheelchairs in here, and you got the seats here that flip up. You have 2 on one side and 1 on the other, so you have 3. So you could put, there's a lot of very versatile seating flexibility. A lot of flexibility with the seating arrangements here in the super wide. You could have the seats down and have someone in the back. Lots of different options. Here at Freedom Motors, we've been in business for over 30 years. We specialize in wheelchair accessible vehicles. This is just one of many we have in stock. We have hundreds of wheelchair accessible cars, trucks, vans, SUVs, crossovers. Check out our website at freedommotors.com and check out our YouTube page where you can check out all these cool videos of all these different awesome vehicles we have. We have Chevy Suburbans, the whole side of the vehicle deploys, Silverados, both of which you can drive from your wheelchair. Look at this beautiful Salsa Red 2016, 65,000 miles, brand new conversion, wheelchair conversion made by Freedom Motors USA right here in Battle Creek, Michigan. If you're interested in this vehicle, only $29,995, and we also offer financing up to 10 years, so you can get really low, affordable payments as well. Give me a call, 1-800-625-6335. That's Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Check out our website, freedommotors.com, and please click the subscribe button on our YouTube page. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.